We're in the bus terminal. We're eating a lumpia and we're just waiting on the bus, but the bus is already full. My baby's hungry, but
Me?
well, we're hungry, and yeah. What are you gonna say?
Bisaya Challenge.
Bisaya Challenge starts right now. Okay, so today we're gonna have Bisaya Challenge so I can learn. Where I'm gonna try to understand and speak the most that I can for the whole day. So let's go. You ready? Bye bye.